What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I got a couple cool cases here from a company called Caudabe. That's right, I've heard a lot about these cases, never really had them. This is the first time they've been on the channel. I wanted to give Caudabe a big thank you for sending these out. Now, if you want to pick these up, drop down in the description, hit my link. You probably get a good deal, and also it helps out the channel. But I've seen this on other channels. My fellow YouTubers have been talking about it. YouTubers like BG Tech Life, and they said these are the real deal. Now, if you have the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you obviously want to put a case on it so that you can protect your device, although this thing is very nice without a case, but I don't recommend you do that when you have a device like this. So first one we're going to check out is the Caudabe Sheath. Now this is an interesting case. Heard a lot about it. Also, the packaging from Caudabe is first class. Big shout out to them. But Caudabe Minimalist Perfection. So these are very slim cases. They have a 1-year warranty, 30-day returns and exchanges, and they stand behind their products. So make sure you check them out. They got a little pamphlet there for all their cases. But check this bad boy out. This is the Sheath. And this thing is beautiful. Now, the buttons here are interchangeable. So if you want to hook it up with some different colors, you can. They sent some different colors out to me. So I may check out, I don't know. What do you guys think? The red, the blue, or the gold? I don't know. We'll have to see that later. But this is just a really nice case. It's got that micro fiber lining inside that cushions your phone from getting any kind of scratches or like that. And then it's got this micro etched texture that is like super grippy, but it just feels like luxurious. So I like the way this bad boy feels. But let's put it in here, and as you can see, genuine Caudabe product. And this is also Magsafe, which is a big bonus. I love when case companies do Magsafe for their products. Let's see here. Yeah, that fits snug. Look at that. Put this in again. Put this bad boy in again. This is really snug. Yeah, like it wraps around. Oh, I see. It kind of pops into the into your device. So it actually sits. You have to kind of push in your case. Man, this is heavy duty. I do like this a lot. Wow. That is, man, that's superb. How it's got that precision machine color match aluminum buttons right here. Look at that. Those are nice. And like I said, you can interchange those. You got your Type C on deck there. Your opening there for your S Pen. That's really, really nice, as you could see there. But yeah, look at that. You got your openings there for your microphones. Your buttons, obviously, your real tactile, very easy to push up and down, very good. Yeah, it's got that little line there, as you can see, goes all the way across. You get some good protection there on your corners of your device. As far as your screen, you do have a little bit of lip action there, which is good. And then obviously your cameras there are fully protected. Nothing's gonna happen to your cameras there. I mean, that looks absolutely perfect. All right, so I think I'm gonna try these buttons here. So I think I'm gonna go with the red, blue, or gold. I think I'm gonna go with the gold. I think I'm gonna go with the gold. Now the quality of these buttons are excellent. As you can see there, these are really good quality. They're not cheap or anything like that. These are really, really well done. Now these buttons are easy to put in. I did the first two just so I can not bore you with putting these in, but you simply just push out here from the outside, and then that pops off, and then you grab your new one. Let me see if I can find it. There it is. And then you just kind of push it in from the back, and then you should be good to go. It doesn't take that long. They're actually really easy to do. They're easy to take out and easy to push in. You can see there, I think they are pretty good. Look at that. So But you can get different colors so that you can match up your device. I think it's fantastic how this thing just wraps around the camera. It just like pushes. That's so cool. Yeah, that is pretty cool. But yeah, there's your buttons. I got the gold on deck. And as you can see, they work perfect. There you go. Volume up and down. Yeah, you can just mess around with them, but they should fit pretty nice. You have to adjust them a little bit, but yeah, there you go. All right, so let's try out the Magsafe on the Sheath. As you can see, it's charging up fully. Pretty strong, I'm not gonna lie. That is very, very strong. Oh, the one thing I wanted to tell you is these come in some cool colors. It has this eucalyptus color, which is nice. It's like that green. Look at this thing, is beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And then they have a blue, and then obviously the black is the one I have. Those are really, really nice colors. All right, the next case I have is the Paragon, and this is a blue, or dust as they call it. But they also comes in a midnight, also a eucalyptus, which, man, I gotta get my hands on that green. That's a nice, nice case, but let's go ahead and take this out. This one's also Magsafe, which I love, but it's got that same beautiful microfiber cloth leaning. The material is a little different than the Sheath. The Sheath is like a very grippy material, but this is also, bro, the way that it grips around your camera is, man, that's fantastic. And look at these buttons. Yeah, you could probably change these buttons too. So you could go with a red, or you can go blue or red. Man, I'm telling you, this Caudabe's got it going. Now I do like the way this has that like top part there, the little more protection there on the screen, more of a lip there. But man, this has the grip on the sides, bro. These Caudabe, nice job, man. This Paragon feels good in the hand, feels very minimal, very clean. This is a really nice. And it says more than a head turner, man. It's scratch resistant, outer shell, features a sheen and lightly matte finish. Man, this is really nice. This is an enjoyable case. Look at that. But there, got the S Pen doing well. You got your brand in there for your Caudabe. Microphones on deck. And this is a really good job by them. And then your Magsafe is obviously gonna be good. You get some good Magsafe. I love me some Magsafe. But yeah, look at that. That's just perfect. You gotta worry about nothing. This is, I don't know which one I like. I like the texture on this one, but I like how this has like that smooth back. This is clean, man. Very clean. All right, and the last one that I have, it is the Synthesis for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is a clear case. Go ahead and take out the back. Now this comes with and without Magsafe. I prefer Magsafe, but for the examples in this video, I have the one that's without. I would prefer it with, but it's all good. Looks like a nice case. Man, these fit like a glove. I ain't gonna lie. Man, this is, I'm telling you, this is nice too. I wish I had Magsafe though. I gotta get the Magsafe from them. I gotta tell them to send me out the Magsafe. But as you can see, man, this is just a really nice case. And all these cases are, you know, they're not budget, but they're not $100. They fall in between some there, but this has great protection on the sides. The good thing about these cases is they have great presentation in their boxes. I mean, it comes in this beautiful material, but also it is a good case. Like, it has a lot of good features that you need in the case, like good grip on the sides, good protection for your camera, you know, easy access to your S Pen if you have S25 Ultra, good openings for your Type C, durable. If you drop it, it's going to protect it. But this is a nice case too. This is the Synthesis case, but I would definitely get it with the Magsafe, and the buttons too, interchangeable. So if you want to put in some blue or gold or something like that. And finally, they also sent over a screen protector so that you can protect your S25 Ultra. It's the CrystalShield. It comes with a guide so that you can install it and all that good stuff. I'm not going to get into it with this video, but I want to let you know that it is available from them. If you guys want to pick it up, the link is down in the description. But I don't know what you guys think. Either the Synthesis, which comes in Magsafe also, or this Paragon, which I think this is my favorite, or the Sheath. Man, I'll tell you what, you can't go wrong with any of these. These are all fantastic cases. Caudabe, I'm so sorry that I've never done any videos for your cases. You have some really good cases. I highly recommend these. Drop down in the description. Pick up one of these cases. Let me know what you guys think. They have them for iPhones. They have them for the S25, S24, and S23 series. So make sure you guys check those out.